Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. COVID-19 is a severe pandemic and a high threat to human being, and it is really a devastated pandemic which normally happen after centuries. Besides health issue, it will also have a great and negative impact over the global economy, as it is expected that global economy will face a severe recession and global economy will goes down up from 2 to 4% this year due to this pandemic. Now, let's come to my topic. What will be the impact of COVID-19 on the economy of Pakistan? Of course, COVID-19 have a negative impact on all world's economy, but let me explain it on a different angle, that how it will have some positive effect over the economy of Pakistan. First of all, let me explain that Pakistan is a developing country and the export of Pakistan is very little. Pakistan's total export is $24 billion, while the import of Pakistan are very huge, and that is $52 billion. So Pakistan is basically an importing country and not an exporting country. That's why, due to COVID-19, the export is severely deteriorated. But I have already mentioned that we are not an exporter country. So our export is already $24 billion. But if it is decreased, then how it will be decreased? It will be now decreased from $22 billion up to $20 billion. So there will be just a $4 billion decrease in the export of Pakistan, while the import of Pakistan will be definitely decreased because there is no demand, and that's why the import will be decreased very sharply from $52 billion, which will have a positive impact on the economy of Pakistan. Besides that, international oil market has crashed and it have about decreased up to 80%. That's why the international oil price will also decrease, which is a blessing for oil importer countries like Pakistan, because most of our import bill was consist of crude oil products. So that's why with the reduction of petroleum prices, our import bill will definitely decrease. So COVID-19 will have a positive impact on our economy due to oil market crash. It will also increase oil consumption in Pakistan, and so our government will have the opportunity to collect more taxes due to more sale of petroleum products in the country. And as you know that petroleum is the basic need for industrial revolutions. So of course industries will grow more with the petrol price decreasing. Furthermore, COVID-19 will have a positive impact on the environment of the world. The global environment will flourish, and definitely Pakistan was also one of the worst country in terms of environment. So Pakistan will also have now the opportunity, and it is a blessing for Pakistan that the environment of Pakistan have been totally changed. You can observe the clean air in the major cities of Pakistan, and there is routinely raining in about each city of Pakistan. So it has also a positive impact on the environment of Pakistan. That's why the forest will grow more and wildlife will also flourish. Recently in the Margilla Hills, there were some tigers have seen, and most of the other animals have also captured by the forest guards cameras. Besides environment, it will have also a positive impact over the health of the people, because people have adopted hygienic lifestyle, and most of the people are washing their hands regularly, and they have tried to avoid unhealthy practices. That's why the routine seasonally diseases ratio have also decreased. Due to the blockade of industries, factories and transportation, the air have been cleaned and people are breathing in the clean air. So it have also a positive impact on the health of the nation. Furthermore, sanitation water have also clean due to the less poisonic raw materials in the water, and the ocean and sea life have also flourished. We have observed this year rainfall in the month of April, which is really an astonishing news. Furthermore, Pakistan will get aid of about $1.39 billion from IMF and about $20 million from USA, and about some other aid will also be taken from Japan and World Bank. It will also have an adverse impact on the economy of Pakistan in terms of tourism, because there was expected that the tourism in Pakistan will flourish this year, because some UK's friends have recently visited Pakistan, due to which international media covered their visit, and after that UN General Secretary Antonio Guterres already have also visited Pakistan and have reflected a positive image of Pakistan, and Buddhist monarchs have also visited Pakistan, and there are about hundreds of Buddhist places, which is an attractive point of tourism in Pakistan. Gurdwara, which is recently Gurdwara corridor, which was recently constructed by Pakistan for the Sikh community, was also grooming very well. But due to COVID-19, the tourism have affected all over the world and also in the Pakistan. The globally tourism industry will lose from 300 up to $500 billion this year. Industrial blockade and the closure of market, it have adversely affected the layman of the country. The business in the country are totally stopped, and unemployment have been raised. Most of the people are closed in their homes and can't continue their routine jobs. So poverty level in the country is increasing day by day, especially very affected who are generally living on a daily wages are more affected. Private factories and companies have already closed, and they refused to pay extra salaries in the off days. That's why private employees are also affecting very severely. Some government institutions which were recently transformed their organizational structure and they were just starting earning are again blocked due to COVID-19. PIA, which was growing very fast but is totally blocked due to COVID-19. Pakistan Railway has also stopped its services, and especially Ramzan is coming. Ramzan is an economic opportunity for Muslim countries and for all over the world. Economic cycle is cycling very fastly in the month of Ramadan, and people in the world are just after Ramadan. So this year, this economic opportunity will also be lost. If we see on agriculture side, due to favorable weather and routinely rains, agri products have increased this year, but due to less demand and the closure of markets, agriculture is not flourishing well. Although currently COVID-19 have bad impact on the economy of Pakistan, but just after the finishing of this pandemic, when the country will reopen, the demand will be increased and the economic cycle will accelerate, and again the Pakistan will progress very fastly.